Who's ready for school? You? Are you ready?
Crab.
And Mr. Krabs. Look, your book's over here, sister. Good job.
I found it.
Put it in your backpack. Great work.
Back.
What'd you say?
Christmas tree back.
I know. I feel the same way.
All right, you guys have masks.
Okay. Oh yeah. Do you have your mask? Here, let's put it in the big one.
Oh yeah, I have one in the car.
See you later, sissy. Have the best day. She's been so excited to go back to school. Have the best day,
Mom, do
you
you
cute
know-
boy.
Let's go.
Yes, I do. I'm gonna wash them, but you have one in the car, right? Okay. Okay. Have a good
Why
day.
can you not come with us?
Because Dad is.
All right, let's roll out.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Love you.
Love you. Braylee and Gage have homeschool today, so they'll just be doing online learning. But Braylee was saying, Braylee and Gage were both saying that they're having a meeting, the school district is, to see if they're going to go back to school full time. So I think that that's on Friday, so things might be changing, who knows. But as for now, they're still doing the same schedule that they were doing before the holidays, which is 2 days at school and then 3 days at home, so that half of the students go on both days and then everyone has Fridays off so that they can clean the school really good or something. I don't know. Anyways, I couldn't sleep last night and I was up late watching old videos on Casey LaVere, and the kids were so little. So it just was a reminder to like just really be in the moment and be present, and that is something that I'm really trying to do, especially to take like that mentality into the new year and just to be completely present. That was just a sweet little reminder last night watching the videos of like just the older kids in grade school, and then like watching Winston and Layla, and they're the same age that Braylee and Gage were when we were vlogging. It's just so crazy. So anyways, if anyone needs a little reminder, just to be present, be in the moment, and I don't know, I just feel like that is when you're happiest and most content, when you're just living in the moment and you're present, taking it all in. I don't know, I also didn't get much sleep last night, so thoughts from my delirious brain. I'm on my way to pick Gage up from basketball tryouts. He decided to try out for basketball this year, which is very cool. He's never played basketball before. I mean, other than just for fun. So I'm so proud of him for trying something new and different. He's a little intimidated, but he's not letting it stop him, which I think is really cool. So I am going to pick him up. My car is atrocious. Holy cow. So how are tryouts? They're good. Good. First cuts are tonight. Gage is a little nervous. Thank you.
So nervous. I didn't really practice before tryouts, and I've never really played basketball, so it's kind of a new thing. And not too skilled, but I feel like the coaches might think that there's potential in me. And they'll work with me.
Thank you so much. You too.
And
yeah, I definitely think that. The coaches probably say that you've been improving every time, and that's important. And you have a good attitude and you're working hard. And no matter what, I'm so dang proud of you for trying. I was telling Gage, even if like whatever happens, if he does get cut, that's okay. He's really liked tryouts and liked playing basketball,
yeah, it was really
and
fun.
he can be more prepared for next year if he decides to do it. So I think no matter what, it's all good, and I'm so proud of you, and I think it's awesome that you tried. Not easy to try a new sport, especially with how sports are now. Sorry, what was I doing?
Just sliding this way.
I was like, don't pay attention to Gage,
I'd be like,
just listen to me. I do think that it would be good to play basketball, because I think you would enjoy it, and it would be good conditioning for lacrosse.
yeah, and it'd also be really
There's a
fun.
lot of traffic. What's going on? What'd you say?
I made it.
You made it! Pass first cuts. Woohoo! Good job. Or so are there second cuts? When are second cuts? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. I'm super proud of you. What?
Guess what I got for Christmas?
Everyone knows what you got for Christmas.
I got a trampoline for Christmas.
Yeah, we know. That's so cool.
Grandma and
Grandpa.
Grandpa Sammy.
Yeah.
Grandpa and Grandma Sammy.
Is that the best ever? Grandpa and Grandma Sammy. Grandpa Mark and Grandma Sammy. Whoopsies. Are you okay? That's the second time he's run right into that same wall. Did that hurt?
Kind of.
I shouldn't laugh, but he just literally just barely did it.
How did you do it? But you're gonna run into the wall.
I think I might
Should we try to warn you?
Turn yourself around.
Around?
Guys, look at my outfit.
I know, super cute. I love it. I was just watching, guess what? I can't remember if I watched a video, like an old video, or saw an old picture on my phone, and you were wearing this shirt, but it was a dress. You were so little.
I can see.
So cute. Okay, I'll try to find it. Oh, golly. Oh, golly. Oh, okay, I got most of Christmas put away, and I was gonna leave some things up, and then as I started cleaning, I was like, it does just kind of feel nice to like put everything away and start fresh. So I was gonna leave like a few little trees and stuff up, and I just decided to take them all down.
Guess what?
So I took all of that down, but the tree is still standing. Casey's gonna help me take it down tonight, and I just need to get the ornaments off. The only thing is that while I love flocked trees, they're so beautiful, they're so dang messy. So just keep needing to change my clothes and take everything down because it sticks to everything. If you guys have, what is this called, an Oculus?
Yeah, so there.
If you guys have one, let us know what games you like to play, and if there are any that like Layla could play. My parents got this for us for Christmas, and I was trying to look for some different games for maybe Layla, or any that you like, because I was like, I don't know what I would like to play, because I don't want to run into walls.
You can
Anyway,
play like
so-
a bunch sitting down, like the Walking Dead game. You can play like
Oh, really?
like a normal remote.
Did he hit you? Winston?
I'm blind, okay?
You have to be careful. Anyways, let us know if there's anything that...
Get him, Len.
Golly. Stop.
The funny thing is, Winston gets.
I know. His hits kind of come out of nowhere too. Now, anyways, let us know if there are any games that you love, or that your kids love, or that you think Layla would love, because I just don't know. We have a few. We have like a fishing one. What is Winston playing? Do you know?
Playing like a shooting game.
A shooting game?
Yeah.
Hit me with the hot glue.
Hit me with the hot glue. Layla's correcting me up. She keeps saying that. She learned it from A. Bradley. Is that what they were saying on A. Bradley?
Yeah. Hit
Yeah.
me with the hot glue.
She always says it at night when we're going to sleep. And when she falls asleep, then I miss her little voice saying that. Hit me with the hot glue. You're so cute. Okay, let's eat your dinner. Having tacos tonight. The boys just left. Casey took Gage and Winston to go practice basketball. And so they took their tacos to go. We're getting ready to eat. I don't know what Braylee's doing. She's about to come down to eat with us. So, and that's what's happening.
And
I can't remember if these are clean.
And girls' night.
And girls' night. Uh-oh.
Girls'
When we
night.
first moved into this house, we were like, it has 2 dishwashers. That's so weird. Like, what? I love it. I really love having 2 dishwashers. I mean, I still usually somehow manage to still have dirty dishes in my sink, but way less than ever before. So I just feel like if you have a large family, 2 dishwashers isn't the worst idea. Just saying. I really like it. I don't think you'll like that. I am having taco meat and spaghetti squash, or butternut squash. I don't know what this is. Casey bought it because I just ate 2 cookies. So I'm gonna go with this option for dinner. you know, it's a balance. It's all about balance. It's all about what you can maintain. I want to eat cookies. I really like cookies. And I really love snickerdoodles, which is the cookie of the month. So I'm not about to give that up when to have snickerdoodles as a cookie for the month. So that's how I feel. It's just about balance, and it's about what you can maintain and what feels good. I really believe in intuitive eating. However, I intuitively want to eat a lot of sugar. So I am trying to not eat so much sugar, but also again, it's a balance. I'll lose my mind if I try to just like cut out sugar. So I'm trying to balance it. Tacos, or tacos, however you eat them, are always a good idea. Every time we have tacos, I always think, why don't we have tacos more often? They're so simple, so quick to make, and they're so good. And my whole family loves them. I'm just up in my craft area trying to figure out what craft I want to focus on, because there's so many crafts I want to do right now. I think that sometimes when the holidays are coming up, I feel like this weird pressure, like I need to get these crafts made. Oh, I'm too late. Should I even finish them? I don't know. And it's like this weird like pressure. And when it's like nothing's really going on, I just feel more creative. I don't know. During quarantine, I started making these like little animals out of, like I started felting. So this is like the wool, obviously not the same color. Oh, it's pretty close though. And I started just teaching myself how to do these little animals. And I really love doing this. So I thought maybe I'll do more of those, just like make a bunch of animals. Maybe I'll get faster. If I do them, maybe I could sell them if I get a little better, because these are obviously like, I just started making them. I don't really know what I'm doing. I also got some air dry clay because I've seen some tutorials on YouTube. So I bought some air dry clay last night. I want to make some things with the kids. I also want to make like some abstract canvases for like New Year's resolutions. I think that Braylee and I are going to do that tomorrow, maybe tonight. I don't know what time it is. But there's just so many things that I want to make that I feel like I need to just focus on something. I did start making this little deer last night, and it was like a lot faster, but I still just like kind of don't know what I'm doing. Isn't that so cute? Look, it's like a little wonky. But there has to be a faster way, because this little head probably took me like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I'm just like not very fast at it. But there's so many little details and it's just so cute. Did you see this little deer head? Anyway, so I'm working on its little body right now. It's right here. So like this is basically what you do. I just start like guessing. I don't know what size. I don't really know what I'm doing. But it's so much fun. I made those a long time ago. I'm also cleaning out this little thing right here that's so cute. I love it. It was in our dining room, and last night I was talking to Morgan, Logan's wife, and she said that they were looking for something like this. So I was like, I have one that you could take, because I brought this up over here, and this just feels more ideal for what I need for the space. I love that, and it's so cute and pretty. But to have like the open shelving and where I can just like put my projects that I'm working on and see where everything is just better for my brain. Home Alone. Yeah, I found so many DVDs when I was cleaning it out. But Layla was just finding some different crafts over there. That's what she was asking me, when did you make this? Because my drawers were just filled with things literally from the old house. You guys like to craft? If you do you like doing like random crafts like I'm talking about, or do you like to do more like themed crafts or holiday crafts? I've also been thinking about, of course, Valentine's Day is coming up, but I don't know, I just feel this weird pressure. Because I feel like if I want to do Valentine's Day crafts, I should have already started on Valentine's Day crafts. And sometimes I'm just like not in the mood until it gets closer, you know? That is for the tree downstairs. We need to take that down. Oh, I have one little tree up here. We didn't ever get the tree put up. Imagine that. Also, if you like felting and if you like do felting, I'm pretty sure that's what it is called with the wool. If there's a faster way of doing it or something that you've learned, let me know. I did just see, I use Skillshare and I forget about it all the time. There's so many classes on there, and I looked it up. Where's my phone? I don't know. And they do have a felting class. I forgot about that. I think I'm gonna take it or watch it. I always forget about Skillshare. Where the heck is my phone? It's ruining my life.